Hi guys, all of you good morning and welcome back to DevOps and Cloud guys. This is our channel. Okay, you can go through the videos. Already have deployed some projects and guys please subscribe, share and like our videos. Okay, next in today's session we are seeing that how to configure JBoss on premises. Guys, this is our on premises. First of all, I'll show you how to configure JBoss on on-premises. Then we will see how to configure JBoss on AWS cloud also. After that, in the third session, first session, we'll see how to configure JBoss on on-premises, and we will see how to configure JBoss on cloud. Then how we can deploy the WAR file into JBoss by using Jenkins, manual and pipeline by CI/CD pipeline. How we can deploy the WAR file? Okay. So first of all, let me clone one VM. Yes, yes, I'm naming that JBoss server. Yes, and launch the server. And just let wait. Yes, yes. So let me log in. Next, DevOps tools. Yes. The JBoss calling as a wildfly guys. The same one. Okay. So here we are using 24 version. Okay. Yes. Now let's launch the 174. Let me increase font size. Okay. Yes. Post name CTL set icon post name JBoss PHAC batch post name. Next, update the server. Only few updates are there. Yes, it's updated now. Okay. Yes, so this is the document. So now we are going to installing Java 11, and then we are going to downloading WildFly, WildFly 24th version. Then we are going to extracting, and we are going to moving that WildFly into OPT folder. Then we are adding user. We are creating user WildFly. Next, we are giving the permissions, and we are adding the services related to this WildFly. So now, yes, copy this one. Time after time, copy and pasting. Yes, duplicate command not found. So we need to install. Yes, install iPhone by duplicate. So we to make unzip next font config iPhone. So it fails here. It fails here. Just okay. Once again, we need to install. So let me JBoss. Yes. Yes. Next, we are going to downloading JBoss. WildFly we are going to downloading, extracting, and moving to OPT. We are going to renaming and creating user, giving the permissions, ownership recursively, and we are just have to copy here and paste here. The size is 201 MB size is going to downloading. Extracting. Yes, cannot start a WildFly service. No such. Okay, guys. So here the last command is this one. Okay. So it's saying that no WildFly directory. And before that, okay, it's already existed. Now cd/opt/ll. So now what we have to do? We need to rename this one. We need to rename this one. Up to here, okay. Up to here, okay. But we need to rename this one from WildFly 24 to just only we are going to renaming WildFly. Now, yes. Now we rename that. Now, okay, we are going to creating user. So user already existed. Now we are giving the permissions to WildFly directory in recursively. Yes, now see, now you can see the owner is WildFly, WildFly. Before that, root is the owner for that WildFly directory. Now we are going to creating one directory with the name. Sorry, we are creating one file with the name of WildFly service. Take this one. Yes, it's a new file. Now copy this one up to here. Yes, escape shift colon WQ. Now next one. So this is the IP address. Copy this one, and then the next one is open this file. Yes. Now come to most. Yes. Here in line number 536, remove this one. Be in the insert mode. Yes. Apply our server IP address. Our server IP address. So what is our server IP address? Here, this is the server IP address. Copy and paste. Again, from here, remove this one. 539 and 536 in both lines. Escape shift colon WQ. Next, okay, just in this one, we are going to changing that permissions and all. Yes, that's right. Now apply that management user A. Next, username. By which username you want to log in into? I am using cloud thing. You can use whatever you want. And the password. In my case, I am using this one. Next, retype. Successfully, we have added it. Now, see guys, Now it's asking, apply that YUS. So almost password also we have given this one. Yes, this one here. We are here. Press enter. Simply enter. Press enter. Now it's asking that YES. Apply that YES again. Okay. It's asking for slave host controller connecting the master for a remoting. Okay. Yes. YES. Successfully we have configured JBoss. Okay. Next, start the service and enable. Yes, JBoss is running successfully. Now we are adding port numbers 8080 and 9990. We are opening the port numbers. Success. Now take the IP address, copy this one and move to browser. Open one new tab and paste here. Remove this one, colon 9990. Yes, username is CloudGen and password. Okay, successfully we have configured JBoss on premises. Okay, then we can deploy artifacts here, var file. In the next session, we will see that how to deploy var file in the JBoss server by using Jenkins CI/CD pipeline, or else we can deploy manual also. Okay, thank you guys.